Hi everyone, and welcome back to my more important analysis videos on Wednesday 30th of August with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Looking at cable, we've seen cable that rallied through that 29.30 level yesterday, but that failed into the close. That is I still think, a key resistance. It looked yesterday as though it had broken that resistance, but selling off into the close, and arguably a little bit of a shooting star candle, you could argue there when you look at it, closing towards the low of the day. Back under 29.30, that is the second day in a row it's basically failed at that resistance on the close. And again, today it's sort of back under that resistance and sort of rolling over a little bit, isn't it? I mean, you look at the momentum indicators, the RSI rolling over at 50, MACD lines, yeah, I mean, sort of contemplating whether that could be a bear kiss or not. It'll be interesting to see. But yeah, this is a sort of a bit of a crossroads moment, I think, for cable, near term anyway, at this resistance 29.30, which, as I said, is this old neckline of the top. And yeah, I think it's a level that the market is looking out for. Certainly on the momentum indicators, there is sort of a neutral element now that could go either way. Stochastics beginning to sort of slow their advance, certainly, yeah, a failure under here and beginning to sort of build another sort of run of lower or negative candles could certainly put pressure back on the downside. So here we see on the hourly chart, again, you're sort of back at levels around 40 on the RSI, on the hourly, around neutral on the MACD lines. It sort of is a pivotal area, isn't it? I think that we're sort of seeing here. I think a break of the support at 29.70 would certainly put pressure back on to the downside, because that is obviously a key reaction low within the recovery, and that would sort of begin to sort of drive that trend lower again. And then you've got this pivot at 28.40, these old lows that became resistance. So 28.70 and 28.40 being your support levels to watch today. So resistance being yesterday's high, 29.80 area. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.